Hi, hello my friend, this is your boy, Colton Havens, where you come to get your brain food, baby. Today we're going to learn about the 5 tips and how to create better social media content, okay? And so tip number 1, make sure you get your pen and paper, my friend, because we're going to draw some nuggets today. Just got back from Utah, went to my brother's wedding. My little big brother got married, got hitched up. Oh man, it was a lot of fun. All right, so first things first, okay? So on creating better content is number 1 is to create content for social media, right? That's very simple, but a lot of the things that it takes in order to do this are very simple concepts. People just overthink them and end up not taking action on the things that they already know. Okay, because a lot of people are like, oh, I'm waiting for a new video. Just think about it like this. When you got several people that you're probably subscribed to here on YouTube, and you're always looking for the next video that they're going to make, right? So why aren't you on the other side of that and creating a new video on a consistent basis, okay? So key number 1 is just to create content, okay? Now I'm gonna go into how to create better content and what it takes and how to make the evergreen content, but this concept here is the number 1 important, because wherever the eyeballs go, the money flows, okay? So if you don't have any eyeballs on you, you're not gonna get any money, okay? At the end of the day, that is the simple concept that we have to get in our mind. So we need to create more content, okay? Not only create it, but we need to promote it as well, okay? Because it doesn't do us any good if we make a video and leave it on our phone, okay? It does if we're trying to get over that. A lot of people are scared to be on camera. And a good way to get over that fear is just to make videos that no one else sees for a while anyways. And for me, I just did videos, posted it, and just never watched it, okay? And I would just look at the views and the comments, and I wouldn't even rewatch myself because I'd be too critical, okay? So tip number 1, make the content, okay? Super simple concept, but a lot of people overlook it, okay? So tip number 2 is when you make your videos, just like this video, do keyword research, okay? And there's a great program you can download into your laptop called Keywords Everywhere. Now this software is amazing because when you go to Google and you're trying to make videos, okay, if you don't do research, you're not going to where the eyeballs are. Okay, so with key research, you already know this because you searched for a video like this. Okay, that's how I was able to make this video and create it, so I know where I'm going. I want to create videos that people are already looking for. Okay, if we're just making videos with no titles, no keyword, with no research before, you're gonna just make hundreds and hundreds of videos and not get any views. Okay, I'm talking from experience. If you ever checked out my Facebook page, Get Your Brain Food, I got hundreds of videos. I've been doing this for about a year or 2 so far as making this video, okay? And I've made hundreds of videos that don't have very many views because I've never took the time to develop the skill of researching keywords that people are already looking for. So you're gonna make a video that's gonna solve a problem that people already have. Okay, that's tip number 2, so that you can make videos on purpose for your content, okay? And it's going to be in your niche, whatever your niche is, okay? So number 3, I got my notes here so I don't go off. So number 3 is, how are you going to deliver your content? That was like a little rap there for to deliver. How are we gonna deliver it? Okay, there's lots of ways. So you could be a blog post. Okay, so you could start writing blogs and create a blog post, try a vlog even. Okay, obviously the second one is videos here, creating more videos. Okay, and then you can do Instagram, where you guys can do pictures and hashtags and get your content out that way. Some people don't want to do videos for that reason I stated earlier. They're scared of the camera, care what other people think about them, all that genre that doesn't even matter. Okay? And then there's some people that don't like that, so they blog. Okay? And they blog because they don't want to be on camera, but you can still get traffic and eyeballs through keyword research. Okay? We're going to be coming back to that more and more because that's a skill myself that I am developing and getting better at here while I'm making this video. Okay, my friend? Okay, so, but my suggestion is however you like to consume content should be how you make content. So if you're on here and you like videos, you probably should make a few videos, okay? Because that's just how you like to consume. So it's gonna come naturally, and you can tell what you don't like, what you do like, and you could put that together on your own YouTube channel or Facebook, okay? Whatever it is that whatever platform you decide, I would highly suggest YouTube because of my past experiences talking about those hundreds and hundreds of videos. If I had make those hundreds and hundreds of videos on YouTube, they would still be up and ranked, and on Facebook they're only there for 24 hours unless you pay to play, but you got to pay to play on Facebook, okay? So YouTube is definitely number one. If you are a typer and you do not want to get on video, you're still shy, you got that maybe a little self-doubt and like, you know, I don't know what to say, how to say it, create a Medium blog, okay? I have one of my own. It's just Colton Havens, but medium.com is great because it's a free platform. You can even add your own links into it. If you have funnels already, you can drive leads from there. It's a great place to get eyeballs and more attention for the written platform, and you can even put in pictures. It's freaking awesome, and it's free. You don't even have to pay anything for it. You just start typing away, start creating articles today, okay? But like I said before, I would highly suggest to do content the way you consume content, okay? That's the best way to do it because you know what you don't like and what you do like, and you can implement that self into yours, okay? 4, what makes great content? So now we're posting, okay? Boom, boom, we're posting content, you know, especially when we're just starting out, we're going to have a lot of ums and ahs and, you know, even stutter, but I like to keep those in there so people know, like, I'm a real person, I'm a real human being, okay? Just like you are. And having those little defects in there, I think, help out because it shows just how real and authentic I am, and I'm just trying to help, you know what I mean? So I like to keep that in play. But creating great content, there's actually a few things. Make sure you get your pen, paper. If you're not already writing this down, it's super important that you do, okay? First things first is you need to be unique. So you can do what other people are doing, but you can model what they do, don't clone what they do. Model what they do, don't clone what they do, okay? So you can be authentically you, okay? That's going to be one of the biggest key factors in creating your online business is you being yourself, because there's only one of you in this whole world, and it has ever existed. There's only one of you that has ever existed and will ever exist. Use those unique qualities to stand out from the crowd. Okay, especially when you're on this online space. It's a big area. It's big, man. This is a lot of real estate out here that you're trying to cover. So you need to make sure that you're different and unique. That's key number 1, okay? Key number 2, have attractive keyword research. Okay, we're back to that one again. Okay, that one's going to be super important. Okay, number 3, highly engaging. So you need likes, comments, and shares, okay? So just for instance, you just need to tell people to leave those things on your YouTube or your Facebook or whatever it is that you decide to use, but you need to tell people to do that, okay? Like, which part of these 4 steps so far that I've gone over are your favorite? Okay, which one has been most helpful to you? Let me know down there below. And I love criticism, so just give me a little bit of like what you do like and what you don't like about the video down there below. And also, what video do you want me to create next? Because I love to create this based off my audience and create better and more high quality content that solves your problems. And I don't know what your problems are unless you tell me, okay? You gotta communicate. This is a relationship. If you're like that girl that's like, nothing, I'm fine. I don't have any problems. I'm fine. Okay, I can't help you. I can't help you. You gotta tell me what the problem is and I'll fix it, okay? So just download what is the next video that you want me to make, okay? Highly engaging, make sure they do that. Okay, I don't know what number we're on, but this is the next one, okay? You can create how-to videos, kind of like this, like how to create content, the 5 tips to create content, how to generate leads, how to create an email list, how to get a girl to like you in 10 minutes, or whatever your niche is, how to take better quality photography, how to do a better freelance job, whatever it is that you are promoting, that's where the keyword research comes in. So whatever you're good at, whatever problem you're trying to solve, make sure you use that keywords everywhere before you make the video, so that way you can get in front of these people that have a problem that you can solve, okay? How-tos, okay? And then the next one is use lists. So you just give them a list to do, kind of like what I'm doing right now. These are the things that you need to do that will help you benefit based off of my personal experience, okay? I've been able to earn several $1,000s online from this YouTube channel, even with a small subscription based, okay? I only have like 249 subscribers as I'm making this video. It's probably more now that you're doing that. Make sure you subscribe too and help that number out, okay, my friend? But it doesn't take much if you're doing the right stuff. It doesn't take a whole lot of views either if you have the right stuff in place. A lot of people are thinking like, oh, I gotta have a huge audience before I can start making money. And that's not true. I've literally made thousands of dollars from YouTube, okay, making simple videos with a small subscription. Okay, so just use lists, things that you've done that you know can help people if they would have known. Okay, the mistakes you made, like if I was 10 and I knew what I knew now, I would have cut my learning curve by blank. Okay, so just share those with people. Okay, and then just make sure your content's good enough that people can share it. Okay, super simple. Okay, and this is tip number 5. I know 4 went a little deep, but this is tip number 5, and always will be. Always keep learning about what you're doing. Okay, so if you're trying to build an online business, keep learning daily about how to create a better online business. Okay, because when you're green, you grow. When you're ripe, you're rot. If you try to pour from an empty glass, you won't fill up an empty glass. Okay, what I mean by that is if you learn every single day to master your skills and get better at what it is you're doing right now, you can give other people blessings. Okay, so like I have an empty glass and I'm learning every day, I'm giving to myself, and the overflow will give out to everybody else and I can help people. But if my glass is empty, okay, there's no way I can give to other people if I didn't give to myself first. Just like if on a Ferrari, if it has an empty tank of gas, does it go anywhere? Of course not. You got to fill it up, okay? And learning is how we fill up our minds. We got to get our brain food, okay? That's to fuel the mind. Just like we got to eat and just like we got to bathe, you got to get your brain food every day. Okay, and I got a 15-day training course that's going to go deeper and deeper into this. If you take this seriously and you're an action taker, because I know you're not like the average person. Average people do not look for content like this. They're watching cat videos, dog videos, okay? You are watching with purpose, okay? And you will get rewarded if you take action, okay? Go to coltonhavens.com/welcome. That's coltonhavens.com/welcome. That's the 15-day business blueprint. Take it seriously. Go through those 15 core days. Also, you're going to get that medium.com down there so you can start making logs and blogs, okay? Logs and blogs and videos so you can get more eyeballs onto your content. Okay, my friend, make sure you share this video, and I will talk to you soon. I love y'all. Peace. Brain food, baby.